So I want to change the center of mass of the robot using the robot's hinges itself to change the center of mass. So the change the center of mass is here, but I'd like it up a little bit, and I've only got the hinges of the robot to get that. Doesn't have to push off the ground. No, it actually counts as if it's in the air. So if I shift the legs a little bit, like that one goes there, that one goes there and there, then my center mass is shifted slightly by how it's moving its legs in the air. And this can be solved explicitly using high school algebra. In other words, there's no implicit solve, there's no brute force, there's no sampling. It's just one direct equation. So you do it by involving the inverse kinematics equation with the center of mass equation. So here's this finds the angle required for the leg by discovering the angle from 3 sides. Oh shit, I think I haven't quite got it. Anyhow, but if you just want to do it from like 2 legs, not the whole robot, this equation here is actually the inverse kinematics put in with the com compute, equalized with the com, plus the offsets the com in the direction that you want. And that basically finds the knee position, and you've got to sort that equation to find this chunk on the left and the rest on the right. You can do it taking into account the entire body of the robot, because all the bases, all the edge lengths are known because they're just the sticks of the robot plus the distance of the com coming to the end of the leg, to the toe. So if you change which group is the unknown, you just reformulate the equation for each knee position, and it should discover it for you, that offset of the com. But I got a problem because that's not the exact equation I need, because that's as if it's rotated with the base on the x-axis aligned. But I can't do that if I'm taking into account all the legs at once. So I've got a bit to change. So what's the good of it? It can make a robot skier that does somersaults in the air. It can make a motorbike that does somersaults in the air. But that's actually not what I use it for. I use it for controlling its legs. I use it for reducing its air legs to a single variable, so you can control all these legs that are in the air with the center of mass instead of controlling the legs directly, and its use of data reduction to make him learn with less variables, so it makes it speeds up his learning. That's actually why I do it.